You got the light bulbs.
Yes.
So JJ brought home the light bulbs. So tell us, you had a couple of experiences, didn't you?
Yeah, we did. We were expecting he told me about them, so I was thinking that it was just gonna just take some of the odors out of the bathroom and stuff, and so which it did. I was a little skeptical, but it did. It took the odors out of the bathroom, which it was amazing, and then it did that, and then which was amazing that it took the odors out, but then it also had something neat happen, which we have well water out here, and which we have hard water, and so in our toilet it's kind of hard water in our toilet and some bacteria and stuff, and so we have to constantly scrub our toilets, and some of the other neighbors here in the area have the same problem, and so it's always like this yellow water that builds up, and yellow kind of a
scum
that builds up. And so every other day we're constantly scrubbing it, but we haven't had to do that probably maybe once or twice every 2 weeks.
So how long have you had the light bulbs?
Maybe 2 months now, I think. I'm not sure. It's been a while. And so it's amazing how white our toilet stays now. It's incredible. And then the other thing is our kids aren't getting nearly as sick anymore. We are constantly calling them sick all the time in school. School is getting mad at us all the time. So it's amazing how well they're staying now, which we completely...
You mean it doesn't pass around? It doesn't.
No. So...
Because I know at school, because I taught school, at school you bring home everything, and then you pass it around everything, everybody gets it.
Yeah. And so it's funny how when they did bring it home, it was going from kid to kid to kid, and so if they do get sick, it's gone. One kid gets it, and then it's gone. But it doesn't happen like that anymore. So
wow.
It's amazing. We weren't expecting anything like that at all.
We're not either. So
it's funny. So I was just expecting the odors to be completely gone, and that was it. But I wasn't expecting anything else at all that's happening.
Well, that's just wonderful.
The other thing is we noticed that if you leave them on longer, the better the experience that you have with them, and which is nice because the wattage is so low that the energy is, you save so much. So you save tons of energy with those on. Because my kids are always leaving the lights on. It's nice, so we don't have to worry about the light bill because they're always leaving the lights on.
Terrific.
So.
Well, would you recommend the light bulbs to others?
Absolutely. In fact, I was talking about to some neighbors a couple weeks ago with them, and they immediately wanted to try them, and they're having some good experiences also.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.